Idaho's premature birth law had an prompt impact on healing centers within the state. On January 5, the preeminent court lifted an injunction so Idaho not had EMTALA assurances for pregnancy complications. Doctors taking off Idaho. The law hasn't fair harmed quiet care, said Molly Megan, Chief Legitimate Officer for the American College of Obstetricians and Gynecologists, ACOG, a professional organization that speaks to the larger part of professionals within the joined together states. Doctors have told the Gather that they are clearing out the state since they do not feel that they can hone pharmaceutical in a way that's steady with their moral commitments, preparing and judgment. It's an untenable situation, Megan said. Sending patients out of state. In April, St. Luke's, the state's biggest supplier of crisis administrations, said it had had to send 6 pregnant patients from its crisis office out of state by means of discussed transport to ensure their well-being. The year sometime recently, when the order was in impact, the clinic had to do this as it were once, concurring to points of interest in Wednesday's incomparable court document. Dr. Kara Cadwallader, a specialist who works in Idaho and could be a part of the Idaho Amalgamation for Secure Healthcare, said her clinic had to send a pregnant individual out of state for care final week, indeed in spite of the fact that they ordinarily might have treated her. She is very excited, almost Wednesday's administering, indeed in the event that it may be a small step. Beyond all the political reasons, it's fantastically vital for pregnant patients here in Idaho, who presently will be able to get to emergency care appropriately, Cadwallader said. Distinctive approach to pre-birth discussions. Dr. Julie Lyons, a family medication doctor at St. Luke's, told CNN prior this year that the Idaho fetus removal law is so prohibitive that she makes beyond any doubt to conversation to patients, indeed at their to begin with prenatal appointment, around what they will have to be do on the off chance that they have an crisis. We, more than ever, are having that discussion, like, in the event that you would like to go out of state, you wish to check along with your protections, you wish to form beyond any doubt you purchase life flight insurance, Lyons said in February. Many of my patients are frightened to be pregnant in Idaho. It's truly tragic, she included. Since Idaho's strict boycott does not permit a specialist to perform an fetus removal in case the patient's well-being is in peril from the pregnancy itself in most circumstances. The Biden administration contends the law abuses the Government Crisis Therapeutic Treatment and Dynamic Labor Act, also known as EMTALA. EMTALA requires all U.S. hospitals that have gotten Medicare cash, basically about all of them, to screen everybody who comes into their crisis rooms to decide whether the individual has an crisis restorative condition without respect for their capacity to pay for those administrations. The 1986 law requires healing centers, to the letting of their capacity, to stabilize anybody with an crisis restorative condition or to exchange them to another office that has that capacity. The clinics must also treat these patients until the crisis restorative condition is settled or stabilized.